guys, how are you today? Hope you all are awesome and passing a good time. In this time, I am going to represent Mawlana Bhashani Science and Technology University campus. At first, if you are new in my channel, it is time to subscribe and click on bell icon. There are two gates in front of this campus. Shahjamal Dighi is the divider of these two gates. At the very beginning, you will notice a mural and its name is Potoi 71. It has been designed according to the history of 1971 and it is located just in front of academic building. After entering through the main gate, it is divided into two segments. One is going to the inside of the campus and another has passed just beside of Dighi. A cool weather remains all day long in front of Dighi. Several rows of trees make this place more attractive. It is also a place to pass a good time for the residential of this campus. At the corner of this Dighi, there is a Mukta Monch of Mawlana Bhashani Science and Technology campus. It also contains Rabindranath and Kazi Nazrul Islam photographs. After that, we forward to the Shohid Minar. It is located behind the Central Library. In front of the Central Library, there is a mural of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. After going ahead from here, I notice an open place in the left side and some residential halls in the right side. When I was in the open place, a fresh air flow I felt at that time. The comment section is just waiting for you to comment the name of your campus. You can follow me through Facebook, Twitter and Telegram, link in the description. It was so much fresh weather that I could feel the sky at that time. A balance of blue and white color make this more aesthetic. Now it is time to go for the most attractive part of this campus, and that is third academic building. It is the tallest building among of this campus. There is also a decorated pond in front of this building. Academic class for English, BMB, Pharmacy, CSE, Criminology, Economics and etc. are held on here. The next beautiful building is second academic building, which is just beside of third academic building. The academic class for textile, physics, math and statistics are held on this building. We are at the end of this video, so no more today. I will arrive with another new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.